Hi everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It's Thursday, July 27th, 2017. Crazy day so far in this market, which still happens to be open as I am doing this video blog. Lots of stuff going on. Let's start off with this. We got earnings today from Facebook pushing the stock markedly higher. The rest of the FANG stocks aren't doing too much here. Right out of the hole, all of the major indices were higher. And then there was a very sharp reversal. And a lot of people, even on the mainstream financial channels, are going, what is happening? I think this is multifactorial. Look, there's no doubt in my mind that this market is massively overvalued. And the fear and greed index is very greedy right now, which means you should be looking to take the opposite side of that trade. So you have some profit taking going on here, but with this irrational market, anything can happen, anything at all. And sometimes you get caught on the wrong side of things. It's just crazy. The US dollar still very weak, although up slightly after Yellen's talk yesterday. Not too much action here in the bond market. I think there's a lot of complacency in this market, no doubt about it, like I wrote here. And we may see some cash, and we need to see some cash, leave this market here. We need a little bit of a give back to move higher. And I think that's some of the action that we're seeing here today in the stock market. Earlier today, I opened up a new position with regard to eBay, long calls there. This position reversed very quickly. I did take up a 10% hedge on that position. Check my website, traderschoice.net. I also bought long puts just a little while ago against the Qs. Again, check my website, traderschoice.net, for specifics on these. I say this, be ready for anything with regard to how this market is moving right now. It's completely irrational. There's no doubt about it. We really should be seeing the metals moving higher here, although they're a little bit under pressure. I would not be surprised to see them fall into more pressure moving forward, despite the fact that the dollar is getting slaughtered. So you can see there is something very wrong here. The metals should be going markedly higher, just like crude oil is. But again, metals are not a real market, and they're going to continue doing this for as far as the eye can see. There's no checks and balances there. There's no regulators there. It's kind of a free-for-all, and the big banks are running the show. I think you know that, but you still need to be betting against this debt becoming your own central bank at every freaking chance you can get. It's just out of control. Pretty much that's it. Again, if you were to turn on the mainstream channels, you got a lot of people, they're shook up right now. They're going, what's going on? Why the reversal in the markets? And I really think it's because it's gotten way ahead of itself. There's some profit taking which needs to take place. The market needs to burn some of this off a little bit to move higher. It just seems unstoppable. Nothing is getting in the way of the market. It's completely irrational. I don't know another way to put it. But anyway, we're going to keep our eye on these things. The bond market isn't saying anything major right now. I mean, a little bit of cash is coming out of the bond market, not too much. And again, if the market were expecting anything major to happen, I think we'd see cash going into the bond market seeking some kind of safety. But again, nothing is real in this environment. So we got to keep that in mind. We got to be cautious in all of our actions with regard to everything with this market. All right. With that said, I'm going to let you all go, and I will see you tomorrow.